Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a walk around and startup video of maybe the nicest 67 Chevelle convertible I've seen in a long time. This car is absolutely stunning. 396 engine underneath the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. What a gorgeous car. We recently purchased this car from a friend of ours, and I tell you what, this thing is spectacular. Beautiful black paint on this car, beautiful wheels and tires, red line tires with some SS wheels. What a just an absolute splendid car. I walked in here this morning, I opened the garage door, and I said, wow. That was my first words when I seen this car, is wow. What a nice car. Now, this is not a real super sport car. It's 136 VIN code, but I will tell you that you would never know that by looking at the car. I'm gonna open the hood here for you, and you can make your own determination on that. But this thing is wonderful. There we go. Check out this. Wow, what a nice car. Very highly detailed engine compartment. It looks just like it would have when it rolled off the assembly line. Chrome master cylinder and brake booster, the factory valve covers and air cleaner, the factory AC, the factory hood liners, hood insulators. The chrome trim, the stainless, and the bright work on this car are in excellent shape. The emblems look new. The black paint on this car, look down the side of this thing. Black doesn't lie. Look down this car. There's nothing prettier than a black automobile, especially when it's nice and polished and clean like this one. Disc brakes on the front of it with drilled and slotted rotors. Power top. The power top works great. This car was frame off restored 8 years ago. It looks excellent underneath. I have pictures of the undercarriage on my website. Beautiful red interior, bucket seats, factory center console, wooden SS steering wheel. It does have the complete gauge pack with oil pressure, temp, battery and fuel, as well as the tick-tock tack. Beautiful super sport dash. Side panels, door panels, all in excellent shape. Jambs, excellent shape as well. Sometimes you look at what when you're recording stuff, it looks like there's a imperfection or something somewhere, but that's actually just the seam on the rocker panel. You've seen that in the in the video. It's got a beautiful boot for the top. I'll show you here in a second. I'll open the trunk. Beautiful red boot. It's got the spare tire, the jack, and the tools. Very, very nice quality car. 67 Chevelle. 396. Let me grab the key here. I'll fire this car up for you. I just drove this car down the highway, and I still had the top down. It was a little chilly, a little cold outside today here in Iowa. But this thing runs and drives excellent. Dash lights work, bright headlight indicator works, tick-tock-tack turn signal. Turn signal's flashing, it's not lit up. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Horn works. The clock down here, not working. I never make any guarantees on them clocks because those things are a little bit temperamental sometimes. Besides, what do you need a clock for? Everybody's got a cell phone to check out that. The door gaps in the car are nice. Hood alignment's nice. Just a super, super nice car. Got one headlight here that's not working. I say it'll go through the final inspection process before it leaves here and goes to its new home. Hopefully it'll be its forever home. If you're looking for a beautiful Chevelle convertible, look no further. Check out the pictures on my website. Watch this video. Check out the undercarriage pictures. You will definitely not be disappointed in this beautiful Chevelle. Just a really, really nice car. I've been walking around trying to find imperfections. It's got one tiny little scratch right here. One small little chip right here on the edge of the trunk. Bottom of the doors, fenders, quarters, no bubbles or blistering. I try to walk around these cars and show you everything that I see. It's just a really nice car. That's just a couple little dirt specks. The glass in the car is all in great shape. You can see a picture of the car with the top up on my website on the pictures there. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, KINIONauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory on a daily basis. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful 67 Chevelle big block car, give us a call today. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy some turkey and time with your family. And I will be right back with you real shortly with another great Chevelle, another 69 Cortez Silver big block Chevelle. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kenyon Classics.